Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Yes, dear students, today we are going to learn about the chapter that is areas related to circle. In the last class, we have learned about the circles and tangent. What do you mean by tangent? And also we saw some theorems regarding circles. Okay. Today, areas related to circles. So from this chapter, we are going to get 4 marks questions. Okay. So 4 mark question on the 4 mark question in the final exam. That is this topic is very, very important. Okay. Yes. So before going to start the areas related to circle, first we should just recall our memory that what do you mean by circle? See, the locus of a point is equidistant from a center of a point. See, this is a center, or you can call it as a fixed point. Okay, so this is a central point. So this is center of circle, and locus of a points equidistant from a center point. Okay, or this is called as center of the circle. Okay, next, parts of the circle. Yes, so parts of the circle. Wait for a minute. Yesterday only we discussed parts of a circle. That is, this is the center of the circle, and the line and the distance between the center and the point on the circle. That distance we call it as a radius. And if we take another radius, the area enclosed between two radius, that we call it as a sector. Yes or no? Sector. Next, what do you mean by diameter? The line which passes through the center of the circle, or you can say the chord which is passes through the center of the circle, that is called as diameter of the circle. And the line segment joining between 2 points on the circle is called as a chord. Okay, and this part is a arc. Okay, this part is called this part we call it as arc, right? And the area which is enclosed between the chord and the arc, that part we call it as a segment. This part is a segment. See here, this is a chord and this is a arc. The area enclosed between the chord and the arc is called as segment. Okay. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about the sector and segment. Areas related to sector and segment. So this part is very important. Okay. Now, so this is arc. Next, tangent. Yesterday only we discussed about the tangent, the line which intersects at a particular point or in one point. That line we call it as a tangent, right? Next, so this is a chord and circumference and diameter. What do you mean by circumference of a circle? See, circumference means, wait for a minute. So this is the diameter, radius, chord, already we have discussed. Okay. So perimeter and area of a circle. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means circumference of the circle. So outer boundary or length of the outer boundary is called perimeter or circumference of the circle. Okay. The distance covered by traveling once around a circle is its perimeter, usually called it as a circumference. So in case of circles, perimeter is called as circumference. You also know from your earlier classes that circumference of a circle bears a constant ratio with its diameter, and this constant ratio is denoted by the Greek letter pi. This is pi. Okay. Then see, this is a circle. Then what do you mean by circumference of the circle? If you traveling once around a circle, or in other words, it is the length of the outer boundary. Length of the outer boundary is called as circumference of the circle. Okay. And the formula to calculate circumference of the circle is, remember, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r. And area of the circle, that is formula to calculate area of the circle. What do you mean by area? Area means the area means the part which is enclosed inside the circle. The part which is inside the circle is called area of the circle, and the formula is pi r square. Okay, remember. Circumference is 2 pi r and area is pi r square. Okay. So next, perimeter and area is about area of the circle. Next comes find the area of the circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. See here, we need to find out the area. Then what they have given, whose circumference is 22 centimeter. That means circumference they have given and we need to find out the area. So circumference of the circle is circumference of the circle is 22 centimeter. And we know the formula of circumference, that is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 22 centimeter. Next, 2 into pi value is 22 divided by 7. R value we don't know is equal to 22. Now shift this 7 to this side and 2 into 22 to this side. That means R is equal to 22 into 7. If you shift this 7 to this side, this is 22 into 7, right? Divided by 2 into 22. 2 into 22. So 22 and 22 will get cancelled. What you will get? R is equal to 7 divided by 2. Okay, R is equal to 7 divided by 2. This is the value of radius R. Okay, by using this radius, we can find out the area. So area of a circle is pi r square, right? Pi r square. That is, pi value is 22 divided by 7 and r value is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, so 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 ones are 2 ones are 2 11s. Right? So 11 into 7. 11 into 7 divided by 2 ones are 2. Okay, so 11 into 7 is 77 divided by 2. So this is the area of the circle. Area of the circle. Yes. So one more thing. So this is the area of the circle. Next, have you heard about the quadrant of a circle? Yes, have you heard about the quadrant of a circle? What do you mean by quadrant of a circle? Yes. So quadrant of a circle. See, quadrant means what? If you take one circle, and this circle is divided into 4 parts. This is first part, this is second part, this is third part, and this is fourth part. So quadrant of a circle. Quadrant means what? So this is first quadrant and this is second quadrant. This is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. Okay. Next. So first quadrant means what? 1/4 part of the. So 1/4 part of the circle is first quadrant, right? And second quadrant means what? It is also 1/4 part of the circle. And third quadrant means it is also 1/4 part of the circle. Right? Then area to find out the quadrant. area of a quadrant. How you are going to find out area of a quadrant? That is, total area of the circle is pi r square divided by 4. This is the area of the quadrant. Remember. Okay. Next. Have you heard about the concentric circles? Yes, concentric circles. What do you mean by concentric circles? Okay. The circles which is having same center point and different radius. That means, see, this is a central point. This is one circle and this is second circle and this is third circle. All these circles are having same central point but different radius. Yes or no? All these circles are having same central point but different radius, right? So such type of circles are called as concentric circles. Okay. Yes, so same central point and different radius. So this is concentric circles. Next. So this is the, when circumference is given, we need to find out the area. Next, find the diameter of the circles whose area is equal to the sum of the area of two circles of diameter 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter. So observe carefully what they have given in the question. So diameter of the two circles they have given, that is 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter they have given, right? So 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter. Okay, but what we need to find out is diameter of the circle whose area is equal to the sum of two circles. Okay, see, this is the circle and we need to find out the diameter of the circle whose area is equal to sum of two circles. Okay, so this is first diameter, this is second circle diameter. So this is first circle, this is second circle. Call this as D1, D2 they have given. That means diameter of the first circle and diameter of the second circle they have given. That is 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter. This is 20 centimeter and this is 48 centimeter. Okay, they have given. Next, what we need to do is find out the diameter and area is equal to. So write down D1 they have given. Yes or no? D1 is equal to 20 centimeter and D2 is equal to diameter of the second circle, that is 48 centimeter. Now, radius can be calculated by using D divided by 2, that is D1 divided by 2. D1 value is 20 divided by 2, that means 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter is the value of radius of the first circle. Next, D2. R2 means D2 divided by 2. That is equal to 48 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fours are. That means R2 value is for 24 centimeter. Okay, R2 value is 24 centimeter. Now, what we want? Area of the circle, right? So, whose area is equal to the sum of areas. That means area of this big circle is equal to area of the small circles. Call this a small circle A1 and this is small circle A2 and sum of these two circles is equal to big circle. Okay. Now, A is equal to A1 plus A2. Right? Now, we know the formula to calculate area, that is pi r square. So, radius of this circle, so radius of the big circle can be considered by capital R and this is small r1 and this is r2. Okay, so capital R pi r square is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Right? Next, pi r square is equal to, between these two, pi is common. So I will take pi common, r1 square plus r2 square. Now pi and pi will get cancelled. So what you will get? R square is equal to r1 square plus R2 square. We know the value of R1 and also R2. So R1 value is 10 centimeter, that is 10 square. R2 value is 24, that is 24 square. So R square is equal to 10 square is 100 plus 24 square is 576. Now R square is equal to 100 plus 576, that is 676. So R square is equal to 676. Then what is the value of R? R value is, so R value is square root of 676. Yes or no? So R value is, this is plus or minus 676. So R value is plus or minus 676 is the square of 26, right? So square root of 676 is 26. Therefore, R value is 26. Radius cannot be negative. Therefore, we will take positive value. That means R is equal to 26 centimeter. But what we want? We want diameter of the circle. Which circle? Diameter of the big circle. So big circle means we consider it as A, right? So diameter can be calculated. Diameter is 2 times that of radius, right? So diameter is 2 times of radius. So D is equal to 2 into 26, right? 2 into 26. That means diameter D is equal to, or consider this is capital D or else small d. 2 into 26 is 52 centimeters. So this is the diameter of the circle. This is the diameter of the big circle, or you can call it as a diameter of the circle. Right. Okay. Now, understood? Have you taken? Shall we move to next question? Yes. Next question is like this. See, radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. It is also same problem. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumferences of the two circles. So in previous problem, observe carefully, area is equal to the sum of two circles. Okay, area of the two circles. But here circumference of the big circle is equal to circumference of the two small circles, right? Yes. So find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumferences of the two circles. So consider this is one circle and this circle, this circumference is equal to sum of two circles, right? Radius they have given. So radius of the first circle is R1 and radius of the second circle is R2. So this is first circle and this is second circle. So radius is R1 and radius is R2. R1 value they have given, that is 19 centimeter and R2 value is 9 centimeter. Yes or no? What we want? We want radius of the big circle. So radius of this circle we want. That is, let us consider it as capital R. Okay. Now, so circumference C is equal to C1 plus C2. Call this as C means circumference of the big circle. Call this as big circle. Okay. And this is circumference of the small circle plus circumference of the second small circle. Yes. So C1 plus C2. Now, what is the formula to calculate circumference of the circle? That is 2 pi r. Okay. So r is the radius of this circle and 2 pi r1. Right. So R1 is the radius of this circle and 2 pi R2. R2 is the radius of this circle. Right. Now, 2 pi R is equal to, here 2 pi is common. R1 plus R2. Right. Here also 2 pi and 2 pi will get cancelled. So R is equal to R1 plus R2. R1 value is 19 plus R2 value is 9. 19 plus 9. R value is 28 centimeter. So this is the radius of the big circle, radius of this circle. Here, circumference they have given. In previous problem, area they have given. Okay. According to that, we have to take the formula. Okay. Next problem. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Here also area they have given. Yes or no? Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of areas of two circles. So this is this circle is equal to area of two circles. This is A1, this is A2. A. Yes, so this is homework. Just now only I did. So ಅದೇ ತರಹ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ homework, right? Yes. So area they have given and radii, that means R1 value is 8 centimeter and R2 value is 6 centimeter. And we need to find out capital R. Yes. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? R is equal to, sorry, A is equal to A1 plus 8. Okay. This is for your homework, right? Next, the wheels of a car are the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. Okay. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometer per hour? Okay. Speed they have given, that is 66 kilometer per hour, right? Okay. So what they have given, the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. ಕಾರಿನ wheels ಇದೆ, ಆ wheels ನ diameter ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, that is 80 centimeter each. Diameter they have given. So 1 minute. Sorry. Yes, the diameter of the wheel of a car they have given. Yes, the diameter of the wheel of a car they have given, that is 80 centimeter each. Next, so how many complete revolutions? So complete revolution means what? Complete revolution ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು circumference ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes, so complete revolution means it is circumference only. Therefore, the circumference of the circle, the circumference of the circle circle, circle means it is wheel here. Circumference of the wheel, right, is equal to, what is the formula? 2 pi r, right? Diameter they have given, that is 80 centimeters. So r is equal to 80 divided by 2. That means r value is 40, right? 2 4s are 40. So r value is 40. 2 pi into 40. That means 2 into 40 is 80 pi. So 80 pi is the circumference of the circle, right? Circumference of the wheel. Next, car traveled a distance in 10 minutes. See here, how many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes? So in 10 minutes, car ಎಷ್ಟು travel ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So car traveled in a distance of 10 minutes. Car traveled a distance in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes is in 10 minutes at a speed of 66 kilometer per hour, right? So 66 kilometer can be converted into meter, that is into 1000. And this meter is converted into centimeter, that is into 100, divided by hour. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. So divided by 60, right? So 0, 0 will 0, 0 will get cancelled. What you will get? 6 ones are 6 11s. So 11 into 1000 into 10, that is 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, right? Centimeter. Now it is converted into centimeter. So kilometer is converted into meter, that is into 1000. And meter is converted into centimeter, that is into 100. Next, number of how many complete revolutions? That means number of revolutions we need to calculate here. So number of revolutions, the number of revolutions is equal to distance. ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್. Yes. Now we know the value of distance, that is 11,0,0,0,0 divided by circumference is 8. Right. Now 11,0,0,0,0 divided by 80 into 22 divided by 7. Why? Pi value is 22 divided by 7. Now transfer the 7 to this side, that is 0,0,0 into 7 divided by 80 into 22 you will get. Okay. 0, 0 will get cancelled. If you do the calculation, 11,000 into 7 divided by 8 into 22. So this is 2 4s are and 2 5s are 10. 1 remains. 2 5s are 10. 0, 0. Okay. Again 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 5s are 0. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 7s are 2 5s are 1 1375 into 7 divided by 22. You will get. So if you do the calculation of 1375 into 7 divided by 22, you will get 437.5. Okay, 437.5. So when you multiply by 10, then you will get 4375. 4375. This is the number of revolutions. 4375. Yes, understood. Shall we move to next question? Yes. So this is very important. Areas of a sector and segment of a circle. So this part we call it as a sector and this is a segment. Already we have discussed. Okay. The portion of the circle region enclosed by 2 radii and the corresponding arc is called a sector of the circle, and the portion of the circle of a circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc is called the segment of a circle. Right. Next, some relations to calculate their areas. Area related to sector. Let OAPB. See, consider this is OAPB. OAPB. So this part is of a circle with center O and radius R. Okay. Let the degree measure of angle AOB is theta. So here it makes an angle theta. If the angle at the center is 360 degree, right? Then the area of the sector is pi r square. This is the area of the circle. So when the degree measure of the angle at the center is 1, then area of the sector is pi r square divided by 360 degree. Pi r square is the area of the circle or area of the sector divided by 360 degree is the angle at the center. Therefore, when the degree measure of the angle at the center theta is area of the sector is equal to pi r square divided by 360 into theta. When you know the value of theta, when theta is given other than 1, then you can use the formula pi r square divided by 360 degree into theta. Okay. So when you rewrite this, then you will get theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. So this is the formula to calculate area of the sector, right? Area of the sector of angle theta is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. When you want to calculate the arc, when you want to calculate the length of the arc, okay. So length of the arc of a sector of an angle theta is theta divided by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Pi r square is the area, 2 pi r is the length of the arc. Remember. Next, area of the segment APB. So this APB, area of this segment can be calculated by area of OAPB sector minus area of triangle OAB. So this area of OAPB sector minus area of OAB. Okay, then you will get this area. Area of OAQB, that means major sector, OAQB. So this part, area of this part can be calculated by pi r square, that is total area of the circle minus area of the minor sector OAPB. Area of AQB major segment. Where is AQB? AQB. This is minor segment. Major segment. That is that can be calculated by pi r square minus area of APB minor segment. Yes, minor sector, minor segment. Remember. Find the area of the circle, area of the sector of a circle with radius r 4 centimeter and of angle 30 degree. Also find the area of the corresponding major sector. Okay. Yes. So first, this question can be asked for 2 marks. Find the area of the sector whose radius is 4 centimeter. That means a radius is 4 centimeter and angle they have given, that is theta is 30 degree. Okay. So we know the formula, area of the sector, that is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Why? Because we are calculating area here. So theta is 30 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is 22 divided by 7 and r value is 4 here. So 4 into 4. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 2 6s are 2 11s are. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Okay. So 11 into 2, 22. 22 into 4 is 88 divided by 3 into 7 is 21. 88 divided by 21. So this is 4.19 centimeter. This is the area of the sector, 4.19 centimeter square. Okay. Next. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter. If, wait for a minute. Yes. If angle is, see here, in this diagram, they have given angle theta is 60 degree. Okay, here angle theta is 60 degree and radius they have given, that is 6 centimeter. OA and OB are the radius of this circle and these two radius are equal because radius of the circles are equal. This is also 6 centimeter and this is also 6 centimeter. So area of the sector, area of the sector is equal to, again formula is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Here theta value is 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is 22 divided by 7. R value is 6 into 6 because r square is there. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 6 are. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. 22 into 6, right? 22 into 6 is 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12. That is 132 divided by 7. Yes. So 7 ones are 7. So this is 18.8. 18.8. That means area of the sector is 18.8 centimeter square. This is the area of the sector. Okay. Now, next question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Okay. Length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. And find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay. In a clock, here there are two hands are there. One is minute hand, one is hour hand. Okay. See here, this minute hand and hour hand are radius here. So this minute hand and hour are radius here. So length of the radius they have given meter. Next, find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay. Next, first write down what they have given in the question. Solution. The minute hand is the radius of the circle here. Yes. So minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. That means minute hand is the radius of the circle. Minute hand is the radius of the circle. Yes. So minute hand is the radius of the circle. That is equal to 14 centimeter. This is equal to R, right? Next. So in 1 hour, angle of rotation is, see, in 1 hour, angle of rotation is 360 degree, right? So in 1 hour, angle of rotation is 360 degree, right? So full agate adu, one round agate, so 360 degree. Next, the angle of rotation in 5 minutes. In 1 hour, it is 360 degree. So we want in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, angle of rotation is angle of rotation is 360 degree divided by, in 1 hour how many minutes are there? So 60 minutes are there, into we want 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, so 0 0 will get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 6 are 36. So 6 into 5, that is equal to 30 degree. So angle of rotation in 5 minutes is 30 degree. Okay. Now, what we want? Area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. That means area of the sector, okay, see, this is one radius and this is another radius. So this part is a sector, right? So here it makes an angle theta, that is 30 degree, right? See, for example, this is minute hand, this is hour hand, right? This is minute hand, this is hour hand. So here it makes an angle theta, that is 30 degree. Okay. And R they have given, that is 14 centimeter. So area of the sector of an angle theta is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square, right? Theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Here theta value is 30 degree divided by 360 degree into Pi value is 22 divided by 7. R value is 14 into 14. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are, right? 12. 2 6 are 2 11s are. 2 threes are 2 sevens are, right? So 11 into 7 into 14. 7 into 7 will get cancelled. So 11 into 14. 11 into 14 divided by 3. So 11 into 14 divided by 3 is 11 into 14 divided by 3 is 51.33 centimeter square. You will get. So this is the area of the sector in 5 minutes. Area of the sector of an angle theta, right? So here first we calculated the angle rotation in 5 minutes. That means theta value we got. So this is the value of theta, and r they have given, that is the length of the minute hand, that is 14 centimeter. Okay. Now by using these two values we can find out the area of an angle theta. So next is wait, these are big questions. Okay. Yes, so we'll solve this question. An umbrella has 8 ribs. Okay. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Yes. So how many ribs are there? Total 8 ribs are there, right? So total number of ribs are 8. Solution. Total number of ribs. Total number of ribs is 8. Right? So one umbrella ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 8 ribs ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That time radius is 45 centimeter. So radius of the umbrella when it is to be flat, right? So radius of the umbrella when it is to be flat. When it is to be flat, that is 45 centimeter. 45 centimeter. Next, the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. The area between two consecutive ribs. So that can be calculated by total area divided by number of ribs. Total number of ribs. Okay. Total number of ribs. Yes, total area means, see, it is in a circle. So circle, area of circle is pi r square divided by 8. Pi value is 22 divided by 7 into r value is 45 here. So 45 into 45 divided by 8, right? Now, so 22 divided by 7 into 45 into 45 divided by 8. 2 fours are 2 11s. Yes. So 11 into 45 into 45. So here 7 is there. If you transfer this 4 to this side, that is 7 into 4 is 28. Now, if you calculate all these values, then you will get 22,275 divided by 28. So that can be equal to 795.53, right? 795.53 centimeters square. Okay. Yes. Understood. Here, total number of ribs is 8, and when it is to be flat, then the radius is 45 centimeter. Then area of between two consecutive ribs is total area of the circle divided by total number of ribs. So pi r square divided by 8. 8 is the total number of ribs. So 22 divided by 7 into 45 divided by 8. Yes, my dear students, shall we stop today's session, and we will continue all problems in the next class, remaining problems in the next class. Okay. So thank you. Thank you so much.